Look at that bitch. Straight from Montreal. Nice little quarter pound. Half in motherfucking butt. I love my wife's killer cook slide resin. And trust me, you're gonna have a taste test now. All of the above. And then go straight from lows, mediums, highs, and really high. Because I gotta know it's free before I gotta sow some wild seeds. By the way, if you ever need seeds, hit me up. But don't hit me up and talk about flowers. Like, I work at a rose factory. Use roses. I'll ship out seeds because they come a dime a dozen and they come sacks and are already ready to go. I also work at another place that is legally growing for medical. If you are a loved one or a medical patient and you can send me the right documents, I might be able to send you seeds. I might be able to. You'd have to talk to your licensed provider. Whether if you're in Canada, I can just send it to you. I like crazy shit. Anyway, I grew this cactus inside this year. What do you think? It's got a cross in it, lotus cross. It was for Vicky's birthday, which is the day after December. It's a Christmas cactus. And I bought a bunch of hydrometers from the top because if you know anything about cactuses, they live off the air. I took the terpene savers and the hydrometers and put them on top. So that way, they fucking release the terpenes and the extra water throughout it while it grows, and it's grown beautifully. I also throw my Edison 60% humidity bags in it. I don't water it. Shout out today to these guys. But better shout out to Jen at Miss Jones's dispensary on Lincoln Avenue. Go there, tell them Hashman sent you. And trust me, they'll hook you up. They'll hook you up like Barbie cups. And little bottles of Fireball. And that kind of hookup. Not the hookup that people call Datelines for. Anyway, you want to see how my hash is turning out. You guys are pricks. You guys are greedy, right? Well, I took an ounce of bud and I squeezed the rosin out. I did it the Afghan way. And I took all the keef I could find, plus keef I bought, and I raped it with it. Straight up. You could call it that. I fucking molested it with it. Just ram, all the way through it. Until it was starting to see colors my way. Shatter! Anybody want to do a dab? How about some live resin? We can really do dabs that way. I'll fucking dab you out tonight. So, yeah, it did turn out to be a quarter pound after no cut, just dried, air fried. Look at how much oil is left in this hash. And this is solventless hash. Solventless. No butane, no nothing. Let me see, drop it on my iBuds container so you can tell. Like, it's a fucking chunk of hash. And when you break it, you know how most hash is, black or green? No, this is straight brown and red and gold. It smells like God pissed in my mouth. I hate to say that, but that's the best way to explain the God bud too. I smoked a ton of that. I'm fucking retarded. I accidentally bought all sativa today. I'm an indica guy. I blasted off the sativa because I don't smoke it. So I'm fucked. So, government, $50. Home, 6 weeks in summer. You do the math. Move to Canada. Or if you can't grow it, they'll teach you. And then you can buy in between and everybody's happy. But if go to Miss Jones's on Lincoln Ave in Welland and tell them Hashman sent you, and they'll give you $5 off any concentrate vaporizer with the code JOKER. If not, you're fuck out of luck. They also have the $20 24 karat joint. 1 gram wrapped in 24 karat gold. Any holiday coming up, mention Joker, you'll get it for $20. And other people, it's fucking it's $30. You gotta mention Hashman and then Mr. Joker, okay? Love you guys. Love my fold. Thank you all for fucking joining. Thank you all for subscribing and putting up with my manicness as I was waiting to see my wife. And guess what? I'm fine now, so don't worry about it. But bye guys. Much clan love. Hey vato. But you don't know. Hey vato. It's all about clown love. If you're not saying with a gang anything, and tell me how you down with a clown. Lunatic, lunatic, beat you with us in the block. Richie ho, Richie bitch, I'ma bust you in your lips. Rich big boy, get fat fucks, I'ma sew your mouth shut. Love you guys. A fold is my family, remember that. All we have is you, Mom Harley, and fucking everybody here. And you know what? Watch the video on my mom, please. Please get those subs and those videos up on me and Mom. Write me and Mom struggle. And type and watch that shit. Study it. Because you'll understand. And watch everything that comes with it after. I mean, you would have 2 days worth of fucking knowledge that could make you a better person. It's all out there, but it fell on deaf ears the first time, I promise. You'll enjoy it. Love you. Love you, Harley. Love you, Kim, like a sister, you know that. My boss's daughter, what can I say? I had to block you, though, because the wife, she won't even let me talk to girls. I can't talk to any. Like, I can't talk to Sam on here. Fucked up, eh? Yeah, I thought so. Sorry, girls. It's okay, though. I'm married, so I really shouldn't be fucking around talking to other girls anyway. Right? Right.